Thank you for sharing, and subscribing. It's free for you, but it really helps out the channel. And today on Have a Knife Day, we are here at Blade Show 2025. We're at the booth of ADV Tactical. Andre, tell us about what you brought to the show.
Hey Mark, thanks for stopping by. Nice to see you again. Well, I've got a couple of new models this year, more than one. Let's start off with this big bad boy called the Freak. And it's got a 4.5-inch blade. Pretty big knife, but very quick to operate. And what's nice about this model is I've included a deadbolt lock. So you can actually lock up the blade and make it a fixed blade. This threads into the frame and gives it a nice solid lockup. So it literally becomes a fixed blade. But the knife also has my well-known roller clip included and a nice G10 inlay in the titanium frame. Really cool design, doing well so far at Blade Show. That's the Freak. The next one is a Havoc, and this is primarily made for self-defense and easy carry. It's got an inside waistband clip that can clip into your pocket or clip into your waistband, and it's very quick and easy to get out. A lethal self-defense weapon. You can grapple with it, you can fight with it, but it can be very lethal.
And it forms into the natural punching motion.
Exactly, yeah. It keeps your wrist straight, and that's the whole advantage of this design is your wrist is not bent up or down, so you got tremendous force keeping your wrist straight. And that's the beauty of the Havoc design, and it's made in a comfortable and easy knife to carry. Cardex. We've got different colors. You know, we do the PVD or we do blasted, we do satin ones, lots of different options. You can order your own custom option if you get on our website or our Facebook page or Instagram page. We got live people talking on there, and you can order your custom version of whatever knife you would like, you know, according to what you see and according to what materials we have in stock. All custom made in South Africa by our guys at the shop in South Africa.
Very good.
Yeah. This is an old Javelin. This was done about 2 years ago, but one of the last button locks that I have in stock. We'll be redoing this design again. Really popular, the recurve design on the Alpha and then the thumb studs on the Javelin. Very quick to operate, very fast, functional, and a strong knife. Can be made pretty or can be made just to work. We do both. Here's another new one which is doing pretty well. It's called the Brawler. Very nice curves, nice, very arty looking knife. A lot of aesthetics, a lot of contouring, and the knife fits like a glove in your hand. And a super quick flipping action, a very fast flipper, a big recurve blade with a fuller groove that you can also use to open the knife. So it's flipping and thumb action. And that's on the Brawler. These also can be dressed down with a satin version, blasted version, or we can do the acid rain like these beautiful colors. And they're very unique to our shop. Our guys are pretty skilled at doing the various colors of acid rain. This is a fully machined, we call it the Diamond Brawler. And if you look closely, these diamonds have got 4 facets, and it actually tapers from large to small. And this takes many hours to do even on a CNC, and it's very intricately done and very well done. It actually complements the design perfectly because it gives you a lovely grip, feels really good, and it looks fantastic. I don't think there's a lot of other diamond milling that I've seen that can compare with the quality of this. And that goes along with the beautiful design that the Brawler is. The next new one that we brought out this year was the Gen 2 Badlands Bowie. And I'm going to just show you the Gen 1, which had a different flipper tab construction. And you notice the Gen 2 is slightly broader and slightly longer, a little bit more aesthetically appealing, and more like a traditional, like a Confederate Bowie you could call it, with a big double fuller, which is very functional. and not only does it work as a double guard, but it will also wave in your pocket and open unintentionally, but that's not its primary function.
My first knife from you is a Badlands Bowie.
Oh, nice. So you know, yeah. The Badlands Bowie we've been making for about 5 years, and we've done 3 generations of them, and they always do very well. Hardcore, functional knives, and they just work. But you can have them pretty as well. We do full customs with Damascus and carbon fibers or Mukatai, whatever you want. You know, I buy most of my materials here at Blade Show and take them back to Africa, and that's where we customize everything.
Very good.
Yeah.
And I'll let everybody see what else you have here. Andre, how can people get a hold of you?
So we're really easy to get a hold of us on Facebook, Andre De Villiers, and Instagram, ADV Tactical. And we message literally every day. We'll reply. If we don't reply, we reply to you first thing Monday morning. And you can get on a live chat with us and order your custom knife, track your shipping packages or whatever.
And on our part, we're going to have available in the descriptions all the links that'll help you get your new ADV Tactical knife.
Yes, thank you, Mark. You do a wonderful job, and thank you for coming and sharing our knife experience with everybody. We do appreciate your efforts. Thank you.
Well, it's always nice to be part of the process for helping a person find their next knife.
Yes.
All right, thank you so much. Have a great show and have a nice day.
Thank you, Mark.
Let's go put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachute, get all those gliders ready to attack today.